Important VSIQ from binomial theorem. 12CR is the largest binomial coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 22. Then find the value of 13CR. When we guardipeట్టుకోవాల్సిన formula, largest binomial coefficient NC n by 2. If n is even, any even number అయినప్పుడు largest binomial coefficient కి ఇది formula. So given expansion 1 plus x whole power 22. So largest binomial coefficient n value ఎంత మనకి 22 even number. So largest binomial coefficient NC n by 2 equal to already given 22CR. So n value 22 into C into 22 by 2 equal to 22CR. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So 22C11 equal to 22CR. R value ఎంత 11. Now what we have to find? Find the 13CR అన్నాడు. So what is the meaning of 13CR? 13CR means 13C11 వస్తుంది. NCR ఫార్ములా వాడచ్చు మనం. NCR equal to NC n minus R. కాబట్టి 13 minus 11 ఎంత 2 వస్తుంది. What is the value of 13C2? 13 into 12 by 2 factorial అంటే 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2 6s are 13 6s are 78. This is the answer.